Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to resume editing drafts on eBay. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you were in the middle of editing a listing on eBay and then you had to save it for later just because you got busy. How do you actually go ahead and resume editing drafts on eBay? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what we're first going to do is that we're going to go into the sell option here. Next, where it says listing, you're going to go ahead and click on drafts. Now, once you're on this page here, you can see that these are all the draft listings that I have on this particular eBay account. All you've got to do in order to resume editing a draft is just click on resume draft, and there you have it. You're now editing an old listing or draft listing on eBay. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and do this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.